Okay, so building the bib. For this lure, I have a 40-degree bib and it runs pretty well through this line here. So to get the plane in the right place, first of all we need a reference sketch. Do that on the front plane. Just put that 40-degree dimension on there. Okay, so now I know this line, this dimension is 37 millimeters. And that's all, that's it. That's all we need. We just needed that line in the right place. So now we can create this plane with the first reference being the front plane, and that second reference is this line. We're ready now to put our bib shape onto that plane. So new sketch on the plane we just created. Flip that over. First thing I need is to grab that point there. So convert entities, that point. And I'll turn that sketch off now, and the plane, and construction line. Now this is a really simple bib. We just need an ellipse and some dimensions. It's 18. And a dimension from that center point back to our base point. And we should be right now to exit. And we can now extrude that sketch by 2 mils. Tick. So it looks a little chunky, a little clunky, but we'll sort that out now. Use some, actually split, we'll trim a bit off the bottom and we'll put some fillets on and it'll come up nice. So let's trim it first. New sketch on the front plane. Grab that midpoint, which is there, and come back to that bottom edge. Dimension. $10 mil. And we'll exit that now. So just the same as we cut the front off the lure body, we go to split, cut the part, and select that part, and we're on consume still, so we tick, and it's gone. We'll turn that sketch off, and put some fillets on. So they're 0.5, the top there, and the bottom. We'll put a fillet around that trim there. Again, 0.5. That's done. And I also like to put one on this trim line here. Can actually make that quite large. I think 40, probably even 50. Looks much nicer. So that's the bib build all done. Next episode we're going to do the eye.